Hello and welcome to everyone. Hi, I am Malika Pathak and today we will be discussing the role of a project manager, wherein we will be discussing who is a project manager, what key skills should a project manager have, what are the risks associated with any project, roles and responsibilities of a project manager, and roles and responsibilities of a project coordinator.
Who is a project manager? A project manager is a person who has the overall responsibility for the successful initiation, planning, design, execution, monitoring, controlling, and closure of a project. Construction, petrochemical, architecture, information technology, and many different industries that produce products and services use this job title. Projects are naturally unpredictable. A PM should know how to make adjustments along the way as needed before the project reaches its final stages. Project managers helps in evaluating potential problems and technical hitches and developing solutions. What key skills should a project manager have? The project manager must have a combination of skills including ability to ask penetrating questions, detect unstated assumptions and resolve conflicts, as well as more general management skills. Key among a project manager's duties is the recognition that risk directly impacts the likelihood of success and that the risk must be both formally and informally measured throughout the lifetime of a project. What are the risks associated with any project? Risks arises from uncertainty, and the successful project manager is the one who focuses on this as a primary concern. Most of the issues that impact a project result in one way or another from risk. A good project manager can lessen risk significantly, often by adhering to a policy of open communication, ensuring every significant participant has an opportunity to express opinions and concerns. A project manager is a person who is responsible for making decisions, both large and small. The project manager should make sure they control risk and minimize uncertainty. Every decision the project manager makes must directly benefit their project. Roles and responsibilities of the project manager. The role of the project manager encompasses many activities including 1. Activity and resource planning. Planning is instrumental in meeting project deadlines, and many projects fail due to poor planning. First and foremost, good project managers define the project scope and determine available resources. Good project managers know how to realistically set time estimates and evaluate the team or team's capabilities. They then create a clear and concise plan to both execute the project and monitor its progress. Projects are naturally unpredictable, so good project managers know how to make adjustments along the way as needed before the project reaches its final stages. 2. Organizing and motivating a project team. Good project managers don't get their teams bogged down with elaborate spreadsheets, long checklists, and whiteboards. Instead, they put their team front and center. They develop clear, straightforward plans that stimulate their teams to reach their full potential. They cut down on bureaucracy and steer their teams down on a clear path to the final goal. 3. Controlling and time management. Clients usually judge a project's success or failure on whether it has been delivered on time. Therefore, meeting deadlines are non-negotiable. Good project managers know how to set realistic deadlines and how to communicate them consistently to their teams. They know how to effectively do the following, that is, define activities, sequence activities, estimate the duration of activity, develop a schedule, maintain a schedule. 4. Cost estimating and developing the budget. Good project managers know how to keep a project within its set budget. Even if a project meets a client's expectations and is delivered on time, it will still be a failure if it goes widely over budget. Good project managers frequently review the budget and plan ahead to avoid massive budget overruns. 5. Ensuring customer success and satisfaction. In the end, a project is only a success if the customer is happy. One of the key responsibilities of every project manager is to minimize uncertainty, avoid any unwanted surprises, and involve their clients in the project as much as reasonably possible. Good project managers know how to maintain effective communication and keep the company's clients up to date. 6. Analyzing and managing project risk. The bigger the project is, the more likely there are to be hurdles and pitfalls that weren't part of the initial plan. Hiccups are inevitable, but good project managers know how meticulously and almost intuitively identify and evaluate potential risks before the project begins. They know how to then avoid risk or at least minimize their impact. 7. Monitoring progress. During the initial stages, project managers and their teams have a clear vision and high hopes of producing the desired results. However, the path to the finish line is never without some bumps along the way. When things don't go according to a plan, a project manager needs to monitor and analyze both expenditures and team performance and to always efficiently take corrective measures. 8. Managing reports and necessary documentation. Finally, experienced project managers know how essential final reports and proper documentation are. Good project managers can present comprehensive reports documenting that all project requirements were fulfilled, as well as the project's history, including what was done, who was involved, and what could be done better in the future.
For a project to be successful, it requires a complete team effort. The roles and responsibilities assigned to the team members could be small or huge, but at the end of the day, every role and responsibility matters as it's a collective team effort. It is this effort that drives project on the successful path. Project manager and project management team are like two facets of a coin. Hence, for the project to be successful, both the project manager and the team need to work as an efficient team. That was all about the role of a project manager. Thank you for watching this video.